So this is part 5 of the mini course, and today I will talk about the hair, how I made the hairs. This is Blender particle systems. I'm using a add-on for this 3D hairbrush. The name of that add-on is, but you can completely do this thing with the help of Blender default particle system. But the reason why I'm using this because I love the tools this add-on has, brushing tools and everything, and that's why I'm using this thing. But the features and everything are completely similar to the main ones. The only difference is the brushes things and the modifiers things that you will get in the add-ons thing, and it will kind of boost up the realism of your hairstyling and everything. So basically what you have to do, you have to create two particle systems. So I'm creating this type of hairstyle look. That's why I need two things. So first one is for the base hairs. So you can see there, this is the base head hairs, the small ones, and the another one is the long one. If I just enable this, you can see, so this is the long one. You just have to create two different type of particle system. So if I just go to the head mesh in the particle option, yeah, this one, just click on add and click on the hairs, and you will get this type of hairs thing. I'll just create a new one and I will just show you how it works. So for now I will just create this monkey. Make sure that you have proper subdivision, this thing too. Yeah, good. So we have enough subdivisions there. Then you just have to go to your vertex pane, and in the vertex group just create one, write this thing small, select your brush and paint. You just have to paint your area where you want your hairs to be, like this. Make sure you take your time and do it properly. Right now I'm just showing you, so I'm not gonna invest that much amount of time. So this is the basic thing. Then just go to your hair particle system, add one particles hairs, go to the density option and select your hairs, and you will get something like this. You have to reduce your length of your hair, so like this you can reduce. And now we have to style our hair. So just go to the particle edit mode, go to the comb option, you will get this comb option. I'm using the add-on thing, that's why I'm getting so many different type of brushes, but you will also get not this many, but you will get something there. So just select the comb one and you just have to do this. So right now it is doing something weird thing. Yeah, so yeah, like this you just have to style your hairs. There is nothing more than this, like that, something like this. So just take your time and do your styling. Then in the brush settings, if I just go to the part option and the add-on thing, you just have to separate the stuff if you want. So yeah, after that, when your styling is done, you can just go to the children option, enable interpolated and leave it to 10 if the hair is looking too dense. Then we will go to the clumping option, increase the clumping so that you are getting this type of sharp look, sticky thing, like that. And then you just have to add some roughness and this type of things. So if I increase the roughness, you will see we are increasing the roughness of the stuff. Then in this one, kink one, we have the curl option also. So you can just give some variation in the hairs. So you just have to kind of invest some time and you have to make it perfect. That's how you will get a good looking hairstyle. So like this. Okay, so you will get something like this. Right now it looks very weird because I'm just doing it like very fast. But yeah, that's the basic things. That's the foundation of this. And then you can create another vertex group. So just go to the vertex paint, and then you just have to click on add another, or you can duplicate this thing also. Duplicate the vertex group, and then you can paint another layer of hairs like this, so that you can get the small hairs in the sides, like that. And you can make this thing small to something like this. Then go back to your object mode, particle system, create another one particle, select hair, go to your density, and now you have to select small too. So you will get hairs on that vertex group. Reduce your size to small amount so that you're getting fine hairs like this, small hairs. Maybe we can just go to the random color. No. And then go to the interpolated option, and you have to increase the density of this because you need high density hairs. So like this you will create your hairs in the side areas. And if you want to comb this, you can also do that. Just comb backwards like that. Tutorial about how to do this type of hairstyling with the add-on thing. If you have that add-on, I would recommend you to get that add-on if you want. You'll get so many different brushes, and it will make your life so much easier, because by default you will get very few brush thing, and it will kind of very weird to work with that. And then I just add the hair material. Just click on new. Where is that? And in the base color, not the surface one, you just have to select your principal hair BSCF, and that's it. Then just go to your particle system, and in this one you will get a render options, this material one, and you just have to select your hair material there, and you will get your material in your hairs. But I will show you another thing that I did for the material thing. Right now you can see that the hairs are like very cool. So you will see this type of color. Somewhere are like yellow color, and somewhere is blue, and this looks very cool. So how I did this is, if I just show you the shader, I'm just using this curve info node, and I'm using this intercept to get that yellow portion, and for random I'm using this blue color, so we are getting this type of cool look thing. Then I'm just adding a mix shader and connect this thing to the color, and that's it. And I'm just using this noise thing just to get some variation in the hairs. You can just copy this thing. Just take a screenshot of this and you can copy this. So yeah, that's the hair setup that I use, and that's how I create this cool looking hair simulation. And for simulation, you just have to go to the hair simulation option and enable hair simulation. In the particle system you will get this hair simulation option. Then you just have to add some wind like this. You can see there wind. So just shift A, add force field, turbulence. You can add turbulence, and you can also add wind. You can use both of them together like this. I'm using this one, both of them together, and then you can simulate your hairs, and then you're done with the hair simulation and everything. That's it for this video. We are done with the hair simulation, and in the next part I will show you the cloth texturing, how I did the cloth texturing, and I will show you some more things about the project that I did. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.